on my brain, crypto, oh you're saying. Talk out with the code, man, I swear to the lane. Ice on my neck, that shine like a chain. If you don't talk money, man, I know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, just body stocks. Nas with the 100, but I never gas. I want out the hood.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at my 5 trades on the NAS100 today. Today, it was actually the trades from December 15. I had 5 trades, 3 losers, 2 winners. The last two I didn't have to take. They were more forced trades, and then they hit me out at the stop loss almost immediately on one, and then the other took about 40 minutes. So those were clear indicators that, yeah, I should not be trading. But I made the trades and I lost, which it basically made sense. It made out. So the first trade I'll be looking at is the one that I opened on market open. So that was on Friday's market open, which was around 6 um 6 p.m. So let's see where that is. So Friday market open at 6 p.m. I entered a sell. Not sure. I think I entered a sell because of the bearish movement that we had on Thursday. We had a lot of bearish movement on Thursday, but it still didn't close below. So it was more of a bullish if I was just following the daily buyer strategy. But that's where I entered to the sell side. It would have been the perfect entry to a buy side trade. Would have been a perfect entry to a buy side trade right here. And then I got stopped out on the same candle around 20 minutes later at 16,559. So that was a total loss of 12.81. So I entered here to the sell side, got stopped out here, entered at 16,541.54, got stopped out at 16,559.84. After that, I kind of let a little more time play out, and then I felt more of the bullish swing. So I said, all right, let me enter to the bullish side. And if I got stopped out on those two, I would definitely not make any more trades for the day. Those I was able to hold throughout the day and close them more deep into the day, which actually netted me a profit of 48 and 38. So I entered this one at 16,566. And then I actually closed this one at 16,663, and that's on the 18 candle. And the 18 candle would be the 18 candle. I'm not sure what the 18 candle is. I don't remember exactly. We can switch it real quick. So I closed this one at 16,663.33 for a total profit of 48.37. And that was basically one of the highest points of the day. This was what? Yeah, so that was on the 10 o'clock candle. So that was one of the highest points of the day. Yeah, that was one of the highest points of the day. And that's basically it. I shouldn't have made any more trades after that. Other than that, I was kind of getting greedy and trying to force another trade. And of course, it didn't work out. The next one I had entered on the same candle. So I had entered with a 0.05 and a 0.04. So that would make the total position size around 0.09, right? For the total position. So still not a zero point 0.1, but I was able to manage the risk. Both were about risk of 12 or 15. So I entered this one at 16,567.79. And then I manually closed this one out a little bit earlier than the other one at a profit of 38.34 at 16,663.63 for a total profit of 38.34. Then I re-entered. This is where I started to get too confident. I re-entered on that 10 o'clock, trying to catch the reversal. And going forward, I don't think I'm gonna be taking any more trades like these where I'm trying to reverse the market, right? So I entered this one. Let's go back to the Cairo time zone. So I entered this one. Entered this one here, looking for the sell. And no, I look for the buy. I tried to re-enter on a buy here, and I had my stop loss somewhere down here, and the market came and cleared me out on the same candle. Let's actually show it here. And that was at 16668.62. It's a good thing I set a close or stop loss because I don't want to risk all of my profits just to play this right now. Because it's late in the day, I shouldn't be trading, and I don't want to assume what I had already made, right? So that was a loss of 1273. And in this last one now, I had entered another buy side trade at 16666.38, and then I got stopped out on the 19 candle. So that was this next bearish candle down at 16639.68 for a total loss of 1873. And after that, it was like a fight of discipline to just not trade anymore on the day. Because I have a tendency when I get like losers like this, I want to make it up back. So when I get these losers, I want to tend to trade and make it back. But that's basically what happened today. Let's actually look at how much this netted me out to on the day to see if it actually made sense. So how much did this really come up to on the day? Let's start with 40. So where is my clearing? So 48.37 minus 12.81. Okay. Minus 12.73 minus 18.73 plus 38.34. So this was my total profit on the day. So we had a winning day on Friday, losing day on Thursday, winning day on Wednesday, winning day on Tuesday, winning day on Monday. I'm looking forward, what does next week look like? Because I had a good prediction last week, but still, that was an easier tell of where the market is gonna go. This is still looking bullish on the daily. On the weekly, that was a strong close, man. Strong close. I'm actually still looking bullish. Sad to say, but I'm still looking for the market to go higher. Gonna play it cautiously, but if we really get that, if we really get to set it off, we're gonna go much higher above 16,780 because it's only gonna take one candle kind of break above that and continue into the 1700s, which would be new yearly highs, which the market would love, especially going into the Christmas. Everyone would be very cheery, very happy of all that, right? But that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one next week. Next week we're looking for a bullish trade, but still we have to be cautious because this can be very like overbought, like a hyper extended candle that we can have a lot of selling pressure off of. Not sure what's going to happen next week if there's any key data or news data, because last week we had the summary of economic projections and the CPI, which the market reacted good to. So we'll see what happens next week on this. The worst case scenario would be if we get a range bound week, which isn't very fun. But looking at the weekly, we should be bullish, and looking at the monthly, we might have another big push. So let's look for another big push next week going forward, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.